you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
I know you like it.
Yeah. You know I like it, baby.
Do you like it?
Yeah. And you be. Come on.
I'm bored. Man, why do we keep coming back here?
Carlos told us we had to hold it down, eh? This is our hood, dog. If anybody comes down that alley, our job is to blast them.
Si, vato. Anyone comes here, fuck it. Casi me muero, Holmes. I'll shoot myself in the head, Holmes.
Gun away, bro.
What is that?
¡Matalo!
It's Taco.
Who sent you, bro?
¡Crazy!
Bro, take one more step.
Shoot him. Mátalo. Mételo un tiro.
Diablo, un demonio.
What do we do?
I don't know.
What do we do, flaco?
No. See, let me think.
Mátalo.
It's not going down, bro.
¡Flaco!
Yo, back up, homie. He's still moving, flaco.
Do that again.
Do it again.
Do it again.
What's your idea?
You're bored, right?
See.
We're gonna have some fun. We have to get the guns.
This feel heavy. I got an idea. You ain't nothing but
Ole, vato. Yeah, vato.
Yo, let's blast this fool.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Yo, Joan! Damn, you tried everything. This vato still won't die, man.
What do we do? No, man, we tried everything, fool. We did popping.
You did locking.
Stop! Got front!
What's left?
Hey, this Stevie Wonder.
We did the Stevie Wonder,
We did the Stevie Wonder.
Hey! This vato can talk? What? What do you say? What do you say now?
Huh?
Hey! This vato just say brains?
Come on, Holmes. B-boy, I think this vato is crazier than you.
2,000 baht.